Welcome to the Peak No-Dig Fencing System introduction video. Peak No-Dig Fencing is a durable, galvanized and powder-coated steel fencing system that installs in minutes with no digging required and is available exclusively at Bunnings Warehouse. Ideal for use around your property, install a beautiful fence to add curb appeal, protect your garden, and to let your smaller pets roam free in your yard without worry. So, let's take a look at the Peak No-Dig fencing style options and components. There are two stylish designs to choose from: Sheffield and Manchester. For each style, fence panels are 960mm high and come in two widths, 1200mm and 860mm. Gates are one standard size, 960mm high and 840mm wide. Posts and spikes are universal and work with all fence panels and gates. Spikes come in two sizes, 300mm and 400mm. The 400mm spike adds additional stability and is recommended for ends, corners and with gates. The 300mm spike is recommended for all other post locations. To begin the installation process, first measure your area to determine the type and quantity of components you will need. Then, ensure you have all the tools and safety equipment for your project. Peak No-Dig fencing is stocked exclusively at Bunnings Warehouse and is available in select stores and through all special order desks.